Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to delete conversation on Messenger from both sides. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is to go on the Messenger app and then tap on the conversation that you want to delete. So now, if you just want to get rid of a specific message from the conversation, simply tap and hold on that message and then tap on More. It's at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on Send. If you want to delete this message from both sides, simply tap where it says Unsend for everyone, and that message will be unsent and the other person won't be able to see it. But if they've already seen that message, then you can't do anything about that, because even if the message is unsent on the conversation, they still have what you send in their memory. Now, if you want to delete the entire conversation, just go back to the chat. Tap and hold on the conversation that you want to delete, and then simply select Delete, and a pop-up will appear saying, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete this conversation?" Just tap Delete. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.